Hello everyone and welcome to the Coffee Programmer YouTube channel. This is the playlist for Android development using Java. Now we are going to create the Hello World application. Let's open our Android Studio. In previous video we discussed how to create the project. This is the video. You can simply visit into this playlist and watch that. I will include that playlist link in the video info. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and again quickly create the project without any explanation. Let's say this is as Hello World. Okay, my project location will be this and the package name will be this, and the program language I'm choosing the Java, and let's finish that. Alright, firstly let's see how we can run this application. We can run this application in our Android device using USB cable, otherwise wireless debugging. Now Android Studio really supports wireless debugging. To use that, you have to make sure that your computer and the Android device is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. Now let's see how we can enable that feature. Open your Android device and go to settings. Here, if you don't know how to go there, you can simply search build number. Okay, otherwise if you scroll to down, then go to about device, you will see something called version, and there you have to click this build number for 5 times like this. Now you have to enter your phone password there. Now the developer option has been enabled. Now what you have to do is go to system settings. In the settings, then here we will find the developer options. Otherwise you can search, if possible, there developer options. Otherwise we can simply go to system settings and then developer options. Now here we can see something called wireless debugging. You have to enable that, then click into there. Here we have two options: pair device with QR code, pair device with pairing code. Now I have already connected to my computer, then I forget that. Then open your Android Studio. Here you will see some list for pair device using Wi-Fi, and there are many more. We can click this pair device using Wi-Fi. Now we can just scan the QR code here. Otherwise we can use the pair device with pairing code. Click that, and here you will see that device available there. Enter that passcode and click pair. Alright, that's how to connect. Then you can simply run that. It is running here. Alright, that's it. And the thing is, you have to make sure your developer options is enabled. Also, if you are using a USB cable, you have to turn on USB debugging. I will show that again. You have to go to system settings and developer options. Otherwise you can search for developer options in your settings. Then here we can see the option called USB debugging. We have to turn on that. Then you can connect your device into your computer using USB cable and run that application by switching the device here and then click run. Okay, that's how to run our application. In the next video I will discuss how to run this application using Android emulator. and I will show you how to set up the emulator by downloading. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon. Thank you very much.